peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley, and today we are going to be continuing part 2 of, I don't even know what it's called, like cleaning my closet, organizing my closet, I guess. If you didn't watch part 1, you should definitely go watch it. It'll be linked right here or down below. You can watch it before or after this. It really doesn't make a difference. If you don't want to go watch it, you didn't miss too much. I basically just like color coordinated everything and rearranged things so that they fit better in my closet, and got rid of some stuff, and I moved dressers and shoe racks and stuff like that. So it actually took me a while to get to part 2 of this video because I was really struggling finding things that would fit in my closet and finding things that I liked like the look of in my closet. It was pretty difficult. It was a lot of googling, but thankfully I found some things that I think will be perfect. Hopefully. This video, there's going to be building, there's going to be cleaning, and there's going to be organizing. So if you like that, make sure to keep watching. Hi, just popping in because I cleaned out so many clothes from my closet and I turned them into mystery boxes, most of them. So I literally cleaned out so much stuff from my closet, like so much stuff. And I have these mystery boxes that I'm going to be selling on my Depop. I'm also selling them on eBay, but these last 2 that I added are going to be on Depop. Along with all of the rest of them because they're not selling very well on eBay. They're full of a whole bunch of clothes, bathing suits, shoes. There's even like free little Sephora gifts like eyeshadow palettes, face masks, whatever. Each one is different. Each one has a really good variety of clothes. All of the clothes are size extra small to medium, shoe size 8. So make sure you go ahead and check out my Depop and get yourself one of them because there's only 8, so who knows, they might be gone fast. If you're not interested in a mystery box, I also have a lot of other clothes on my Depop and also on my Poshmark. Both are linked down below. Feel free to go check those out. The prices are pretty reasonable. If you want something a little bit cheaper, negotiate with me. I'm open to it. All right, let's get back into the video. In my last video, I also said that with it organized, I was hoping that I could keep it more organized because I liked the organization. But I am who I am and that is not an organized person. So I'm going to show you the current state of my closet right now. It's pretty bad. Please don't judge me. My closet is a mess, as is my life. My life has not gotten any less messy than it was in the last closet cleaning video when I said my life was a mess. So my closet is a pretty accurate representation of that, so let's check it out. This is the current state of my closet. It's that. Just so much of that everywhere. I can't open my door all the way because I can't close these because there's so much stuff in there. I did keep everything color coordinated though, and that's because when I did all of my laundry, it ended up here and not hung back up. So initially in my last video, I said that I had another one of these and I was just going to put the second one over there and just have 2 shoe racks so that my shoes weren't as crowded and I could get more shoes. But the second shoe rack is too wide to fit over there, so that's not going to work. I had to get a whole new shoe rack and I could not find one that either 2 of them fit here or one that was long enough to fit here. It's about 60 inches. Thankfully, I did find these floating shelves that were 60 inches, so we're just going to get rid of that shoe rack completely and put all of my shoes on the floating shelves. Hopefully that works. And then for over here, for all of my jeans and stuff, and I'm also going to be taking some stuff out of here and putting it in this, like, what is it called? Like a cubic, what is it called? Like a bunch of cubes stacked on top of each other. That's what I'm going to be putting right here. So hopefully that all works out. I kind of measured things, but I'm not really great at measuring, and also I'm kind of lazy, so I just like lazily measured everything. So I really hope it all fits. That would really suck if it didn't fit. So I'm going to get everything out of my closet so that I can start building and putting things in. I am going to have my boyfriend help me build and install the things in the wall because I could do it myself. I'm very capable of doing it myself, but it's really likely that I'm going to mess it up, and I don't want to mess it up. So he's going to help me. So yeah, let's get into it. Who needs this many jeans?
All in mind if you don't listen that much.
not hollow. That's hollow.
Right, so first we got
Realize the movie that I was watching. It's the end of the world. Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watches it all the girls. They all their pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track. Back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness. But my mama also, she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can't fight for it. So it's Hakuna Matata, beast on the water. Pray to provider, please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone brighter. Yeah, all in mind if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. Same shit they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. Cause some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call.
Okay, I think this means I have too many shoes because I still have no room for all of my shoes. Ridiculous. I haven't even done that much. I'm so tired. Also, I can't stop thinking about how I probably should have gotten 3 of those shelves because look. Sorry. So look, I have the top one and then there's like a big space right there and then there's that one. And I feel like I could have put this one a little bit higher and then gotten another one. And then I would have had room for more shoes. But now I can't buy any more shoes. Not that I don't have enough shoes. I know I have more than enough shoes. Sometimes I just want more shoes. I don't know. And I just made holes in the wall. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, that won't be part of this video if I do get another shelf because it's not gonna be here in time. Actually, I don't know. We'll see. I do have Amazon Prime. We'll see. Alright, well, I've been procrastinating for a while. I was looking for clothes on Depop as if I don't have an entire closet full of clothes that I'm trying to organize and find room for everything for. What am I saying? I still have that pile to deal with. Yeah. And here we have the final closet reveal tour thing. So here we have sweaters and sweatshirts all color coordinated. And then underneath, I did end up getting another one of these shelves for my shoes, and then I just moved the second one up a little bit so that I could fit that, and I love it. And now I have room for when I want to get new shoes. So really happy about that because that was the whole reason I wanted these shelves in the first place. And I love the way that the floating shelves look and just all of it. I love this. And then we come over here. I have bucket hats up there. Have all of my t-shirts also color coordinated, and then ignore that middle part. Those are all like projects that I need to work on with clothes, and yeah, just ignore that part. But then down here we have my skirts and like nicer like dressy casual shorts in that corner right there. And then here we have jeans, pants that are not jeans, a whole bunch more jeans. Literally nobody needs that many jeans. Denim shorts. Nobody needs as much denim in their lives, but I love it. And then we have these filled. And then here we have cropped short sleeve shirts, tank tops, scarves to wear as different kinds of shirts, all that good stuff, kind of color coordinated. And then over here I didn't organize this at all. So the one thing I did organize was I have this dresser here, and I had belts just like all over the top of it, and it was just a mess. So I got a belt hanger. Beautiful. My belts are organized now, and I can just reach for it and not have to fumble around all of my other belts. This is cleared off, which is like so nice. And then we have all of this stuff that yeah. At some point when I have a free storage box, I do want to take the like wintry jackets that I don't wear as often and put them in there, just so I have more room and it looks like less crowded over here. But that is what we have for now. It works, it's fine. And then obviously bags, backpacks, all that good stuff. And that's it. That is the final closet tour reveal thing. Done organizing. It looks so satisfying. The floor is there. You can see it. It's beautiful. I did all of my laundry except for the little bit that's in there, but all of my clothes are clean and hung up or put away. That never happens. Love it. Hello, floor. And that is it for this two-part little mini series of organizing, cleaning my closet. So satisfying, at least for me. Hopefully you found it satisfying as well. I know on my last one, part 1 of this little mini series, people were saying that they liked the fast motion, that my legs looked funny in the fast motion. So hopefully you enjoyed that again. I feel very accomplished because when I put the third shelf on, I did it all by myself. My boyfriend wasn't even home. So definitely feeling like Bob's a builder. I know. Yeah, but it came out really well. I have no idea how to fill these holes from where it previously was, but that's okay. It doesn't look that bad. But that is it. Hopefully you all liked this video. Hopefully you liked this little mini series, and hopefully I can keep my closet looking this nice because I'm just a messy person. I'm kind of a disaster, and my closet deeply reflects that. But hopefully now that my closet looks beautiful and organized, I will feel motivated to keep it that way. We'll see. I'll keep you all updated. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know that you like this video by giving me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to check down below and shop those mystery boxes and other clothes on my Depop. Those will all be posted by the time this video goes up. So make sure you check that out. The mystery boxes have so much stuff in it. There's even like free Sephora items in there. There's like at least 15 to 20 items of clothing, if not more in some of them. There's shoes, there's bathing suits that are all clean, don't worry. Yeah, there's like so much stuff in those boxes. It's crazy. So make sure you go grab those because I only have so many of them. Also make sure that you subscribe down below to see videos of me sewing. All of these projects that I have right here are ideally, most of them are going to be videos. Or just styling all of my clothes that I have filling up this closet. So make sure you do that, and feel free to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss when I post. This video is going to be going up at the beginning of September, and I think I'm going to be posting 2 times a week in September. Hopefully we're going to try it out, see how it goes for us, see how much work it is. Yeah, we're gonna try it out. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss those videos because they are going to be good ones. Ideally. All right, thank you all so much again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.